great. Great. Lock the doors. Oh God.
Hey, morning folks. Pretty early in the morning. Sun's been up for about 15 minutes or so, tops. Sugar White Sands at Pensacola Beach, Florida. Really flat surf today. Really flat surf. A few nice little breakers up near the shore, so we should be able to read the beach pretty well. See where the potholes are. See where the underwater structure is. When I'm talking about underwater structure, of course, you know, Pensacola Beach being just sand for days. We're talking about sandbars. We're talking about potholes. We are talking about, yeah, sandbars and potholes. That's pretty much what it comes down to out here. So if you know where those things are, you know where those underwater features are, you can find the little highways that the fish are moving through. So this should be a lot of fun. Hopefully we'll find some fish. Got some kayakers on the water already. Got some boats out here. Got some birds working. So hopefully this will be good. Yeah, stay tuned. There are fish all over the place out here. We've attracted all the kayakers. What's up, lady? Check this out. Alright, here we go. Gotta be able to get it. This is ridiculous. There we go. These little ladies. These little lady fish. The lady got off. Things are slippery. This guy's a little small, and we typically don't keep him anyway, so he's going back. He's pretty small. I'm 100% sure the sample came off. 100% sure. Fish bites on there, obviously. Sample is off. There you go. I'll get you. You know, I repositioned that bait for you. Did you? I did. Figured that'd be a nice thing to do. And I put a fresh sand flea on him. Okay. Did it have a sand flea? Yeah, it had a sand flea and a fish bite. You need a little help there, Junior? I might. Never mind. You got it? Got it. All right. Cool. All right, hooking a sand flea. You see this little thing right here? Mm-hmm. This shovel-ish looking thing right here, mm-hmm. That's the digger. You want to get through that so that they don't immediately go down into the sand when they hit. So go through the digger and out the top. Okay. All right, show it to the camera.
That is
Wow.
the redfish.
Redfish delight right there.
Yep.
That's
See what
what,
happens.
one shrimp fish bite, one sand flea fish bite, and one actual big honking sand flea. Alright, so let's see what we got here. So this heron's like, what's in the bucket, y'all? Oh, a few little snacky treats in the bucket, y'all. Looks like we got a fish. Well, whatever this is, ate a crab. About a 5-inch across crab. Doesn't seem too big. They eat a crab. It doesn't. Maybe it's the crab. Maybe the crab has gotten a second wind. Ladyfish. Wow. You know what happened? Crab came off. He got the fish bite. Okay. Well, that's a nice ladyfish though. That's a heck of a ladyfish. All right, so let's talk for a quick second about some of the stuff we were using today. Using a single dropper rig, where you just have a swivel going to your main line, a single hook, very small hook. We're talking small hooks, size 1, size 2, 1/0 hooks for all this pompano fishing, pompano whiting. Some of these guys with tinier mouths in the surf that eat the sand fleas, they eat the little crabs. It helps to keep a smaller presentation, you know, with the bait to match the size of what they're eating. So small hooks, and you also have the option of using these little yellow floats. Just before you put the hook on, you run this dropper line through that yellow float. Some people like these, some people don't. Some people swear by them. Some people have never used them. Some people would never use them. I just recently started using them and found they're more beneficial than anything else at just trying to keep your bait up and out of any June grass or anything that might be collected on the bottom that it could collect, you know, a lot of gunk and whatnot. Gunk and whatnot. You want to stay out of especially the whatnot. And then at the very end of the line, just got a little loop made. We're running it through a 2-ounce pyramid sinker. Not getting a lot of roll out there, not a whole lot of wave action today. Don't really need a whole lot of weight to keep it on the bottom. And last but not least, these guys, fish bites. I'm a huge fan of these in that come in a little pack. You don't have to have sand fleas, you don't have to have any live bait, you don't have to have any dead bait. You can have a nice clean pack. And you know, this stuff that they put on here, they put on like a little nylon, what looks like a nylon mesh. So easy to get on the hook. It's heck to get off the hook though. Does a really good job of staying on the hook. Smells great to the fish. They love it. I've caught probably more fish on fish bites, more pompano anyway, on fish bites than I have on regular sand fleas, just because I feel like I lose the sand fleas so quickly.
All right, tutorial number 2. This is how you dry the back of your shorts.